Number 4. Grade 4 is Chip Jenkins with a graduator with an F-62. Chip, are you ready? Chip, wave your hand. There you go. Okay, grade 4, you ready? Sky clear, range clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the top, and then in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the top. There's your event, and there's your shoot. A bullet Bobby XXL with an H-135. Is the team with the bullet ready to go?
Yes, sir, right here.
There they go. Alpha 2. Sky clear. Range clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, it's pretty straight for the stubby there.
There's your vent.
Kermit shoot.
Big old parachute.
Kermit, there we go.
Moving on to Alpha 3. Robert Becker all the way up Virginia. He has got his concept 75 DD with a Aerotech I-180. Bob, where are you?
Spinning his head around.
Robert.
It's like the Macy's.
There he is. Okay. Alpha 3. Ready? Good sky. Good range. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's awesome. I need my day. You're right.
Over the top. There's your event. There's your drove. Alpha 4. Mike Smoke with a JA-250. Good sky, good range. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the top, looks like an event. There's your drove. There's Nate. Alpha 5, F-67, the Great Goblin. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the top, there's your event. Little wiggle. Over the top, event, and I see a drogue. All right, Chuck, looking for you. Experimental motor. I heard over here. Chuck, you ready? Okay, you good? Fantastic. All right, pad Bravo 1, experimental motor I-300 going on his Scorpion 2. Sky looks good. Range looks good. Bravo 1, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice burn.
And what answer did you get?
Over the top, event. Randy, are you ready? All right, Randy says he's ready. On pad Bravo 2. Randy's experimental. 350 in his Goblin. Bravo 2, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's your... Over the top, there's your vent, and there's a shoot. 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Over the top. Event. Feet. I'm sorry, it's a Mad Max 8.
The motor.
And then Fred has Crime and Punishment with a 3-stage.
Oh, here you go.
A K 2050 to a J 800 to an I 284.
Okay. Here he goes.
That's going to be something to watch. This is only going to 5,000. John Ritz and his Mad Max 8. It is on pad Delta 1. It is flying with an M. M as in Mike, 2,500 off of Delta 1 with a main going to 8,000 feet or so. Main chute at 1,200. On pad Delta 1, the sky in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
What motor did you say that was?
That was an M2500. That was experimental.
It's pink.
Shoot at 700. Weighs in at 46.5 pounds, and it was built from scratch.
No way.
Weigh cell still says they're ready.
Check it out, man. He's in that field. He probably landed on that farm road.
The sky is clear. Oasis cell range is clear. Pad Delta 3. Pre-stages going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Uh-huh.
Checking continuity, stand by. We're gonna cycle this thing. Delta 3, Delta 3. Alright. Okay, we're good. Delta 3, trying again. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Next stage. And
No, don't light.
Please don't light.
alright, lots of recovery activating.
It takes care of all the pops. Red. Yeah, he's got everything on there.
Alright, Fred, well done. Unfortunately, it didn't stage, but it looks like everything recovered nicely. 135. What about 1,500 feet? Main chute at 500. Eric, are you ready? Here he is. See the wave. Alpha 1. Alpha 1. Range clear, sky clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the top, there's your vent, and there is your parachute. With an H-152 blue streak. Adrian on pad 2, Alpha 2. Are you ready, Adrian? Adrian. There you are. Adrian's ready. Alpha 2, ready? Everything clear, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Surprised I actually caught that one.
Over the top,
That was
Are you showing your pictures?
What?
Are you gonna be showing your pictures?
I'm just gonna
the vent.
Awesome.
He's going up in a back in black.
I don't think so.
Christian, where are you?
I haven't.
There he is. Alright, experimental motor on pad Alpha 3.
Haven't thought.
Come on, there's your GPS, main electronic, main chute at 500. Okay. Alpha 3, sky clear, range clear. Experimental motor in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. A250. Brad, are you ready? I hear yes. Alpha 8. And sky's clear, those guys are way up there. Range is clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the top, there's your event. Eddie Williams from Nautilus. Eddie, are you ready? Alright, he said go. Alright, pad Bravo 1, going about 6,000 on this one. You want to watch this? Pad Bravo 1, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, there we go. Alright, that's going to be a walk. Charlie 1's got Lisa with an Iris and an L1000. Motor ejection main at 500. Charlie 1. Lisa, are you ready? Ready. Alright, big I-500, or I'm sorry, L1000 going here. Sky is clear. Range is clear. Pad Charlie 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand by, we're gonna. Oh!
I have good luck. 3,000, 3,600.
All right, it's over the top.
Deployed.
There's your event. Send down. Okay. All right, Charlie 2,
I see my
Blue Lagoon
laptop flight.
on a K805. Charlie 2, sky is clear, range is clear. Charlie 2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no.
I lost track. Oh, there it is.
See the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Jerry Andre with your Emerald Fire. This is a two-stager going to J540 to H123, 3,200 feet. Air starting 2 H123s. All right, we got an air start on this one. Charlie 3, range clear, sky is clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Air start. 1.
$128. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I mean, is that like the lock?
I lost visual. Someone see it?
So I have
2s on pads A4 and A5. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks like A4 was quicker off the pad. Swoop on A7 with on an H100. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up. And next is Noah. Okay. And we got A8 to go. Okay. Noah Lafren with a scratch-built Brisk Osprey on a, it says G500. Dang. All right, going in 5. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that just disappeared. John Galak with the Bat Rocket on a J355, and I guess it's a cluster. There's 2 more motors on it, but I can't identify what's written here. So just call it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks like all 3 lit. All right, up, arcing over. All right, we've got an event. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ghosting.
I don't know, buddy. You have to be
Parking over. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up.
Alright, do you want to see the front? It's not.
Ghosting.
I know, but they have to pull the number for us to.
Parking over, and we've got an event. It's apart. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Long-term motor. I have lost visual. I got visual. I lost it again. Kind of fading in and out of my vision. Okay, I see a smoke trail. All right, we got a store. We're on B5 on the right side again. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, it's up. It's coasting. Heading a bit back towards the crowd, keeping an eye on it. I lost visual. Ethan Carman with his scratch build Estes EAC Viper on a J420 red, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up.
Nice. Just what I wanted in the event.
It's arcing over.
Yes.
And
That's it.
we got an event.
Strokeless
It's on its way
told the
down.
boy.
Not heading anywhere unsafe.
Where is it going?
On a K525.
Well,
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right there. Right.
Yeah,
It's close.
big red chute.
There it is.
What the?
Still going up?
Peppermint
No, looks like it's arcing over now.
parachute.
Awesome.
When are you
I
getting
saw flat. On C1 right side, we've got Craig O'Keefe with his 6-inch Wildman, with
How about that? That was
which
good.
he has named That's Not Ideal, on a L1250.
I'm going for a long walk.
Going in
I
5,
wonder if I
4,
should take the car
3,
out there.
2, 1.
I think I'm done.
Right, coasting, arcing over. Oh, maybe not arcing over.
Alright, come on guys.
All right, there's an event, and it's on its way down. Jake Felser, Wildman that he's named Impulse Pie, on an L1000. Supersonic expected. All right, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got Frank Thompson with his Lock Motown missile on an M1500 green. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and green, always looks cool. And went up into the cloud again. I lost visual. Smoking, sparking, trying. And it's up, it's coasting, it's arcing over, and 2, 1. Everybody loves Super Thunder. Low and slow flight looks like. Up, over, uh-oh, heads up, coming in ballistic. Oh, okay, your body separated from your recovery system. On B6, left side, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I lost visual. Spotter, you got it? I-237 skid mark. And this one is being launched in memory of Gloria Robinson from AMW. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, very nice flight. I'm sure Gloria Robinson is happy to see it. Arcing over, apart, And you're good. B8. On a J540 red. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up, it's moving, it's coasting. It's up in the clouds. Spotter? No visual, went right up into the... Taylor Max on an L850 white. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very stable. Yes. So I'm confident.
Alright. I see cracking smoke. Over. I see net analysis on an M1350. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's alright. I see cracking smoke. Three, 2, 1. They got it. 2, 1. It's up. It's coasting. It's right over my head.
I feel like I'm going to catch
It's
it.
kind of moving back towards the flight line a little bit. I'm going to keep an eye on it.
There now.
It's arcing over. It's apart. 1390. Again, hold the ignition button for 3 full seconds. It says, all right, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that would have certainly done something. All right, it's up. Seems to be arcing over. We have E5. This is a level 3 certification attempt. We'll be watching this one all the way down. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up. It's
Oh yeah, you
closing.
guys gotta get cameras.
You gotta get the camera. No, go ahead. Drop that off. You have to wait till they're done. You can't go into the...
Okay.
Don't forget to turn off the camera.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up. It's coasting. It's really moving. I see cracking smoke. Yeah, it is full of clouds. Barely see it. Okay, I think we have some kind of event. 4, 3, 2, 1. At least one of those lit. It's up. It's arcing over. It's on for the left side for now. We've got Jeff Miller's Mad Cow Trinity with a J 430 and then G and then 3 G88s being air started. Again, we'll light the J on the ground and 3 Gs in the air. Pad C4 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There goes the J. Looking good. It's going up. It's coasting. It's arcing over. It's apart. On an I-295, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On A3 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up, it's coasting. Anne's Revenge. Going on an H115 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up. It's coasting. It's arcing over. It's deployed a parachute. 2, 1.
This time I should talk to you.
It's up. It's slowing down. It's arcing over. It's right. Short burn. It's up. It's coasting. I see a smoke trail. Lisa with a Lock Forte XL on a K2050 going on pad B3 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that one just disappeared. Oh. On B7 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up. It's coasting. It's staying in sight. It's arcing over, and we've got a shoot. Moving out to the CRAD. Jean-Francois is launching an AGM special on a classic M1297 white. Going for his level 3 cert in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up. And I don't see it. I sure hope you do. Alright, spotter's got it. Oh, I see tracking smoke. Okay, I see an event. Derek, bike, botch, bait, I don't know. With his rocket named Benjamin Button on an EXL1369 motor.
That's not out.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up. Four, 3, 2, 1, launch. Going on an I-175. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's up. It's ascending. It's staying below the clouds. It's arcing over. It's separated.
This is mine, yeah, this is mine. I just have
It is not likely to land on anyone's head. Alright, on B1 on an EX J1100. That's going to be a fast burn more than likely. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Well, I certainly hope you have a B8. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. It's smoking, but it. Oh, there it goes. Right into a blue hole. That's nice.
I might have gotten one frame of it off the bat.